Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from Crypto.com to Metamask in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's super handy for transfers, and Metamask is your go-to wallet for Ethereum-based assets. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have both a Crypto.com account and a Metamask wallet set up. You'll need some USDT in your Crypto.com wallet and your Metamask connected to the Ethereum network, since USDT is typically an ERC20 token. Got that? Great. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to your wallet section and select USDT from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the screen. Step 2. When you choose to withdraw, you'll need to enter your Metamask wallet address. Open your Metamask extension or app, switch to the Ethereum mainnet if it's not already, and copy the address from the account you want to receive the funds. Pro tip. Always verify the address twice to prevent sending to the wrong place. That could mean losing your crypto forever. Step 3. In Crypto.com, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Select the network as Ethereum, ERC20, for USDT, enter the amount you want to send, and review any fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Step 4. Hit confirm and wait for the transaction to process. It might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, hop back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your USDT arrive. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so double-check everything. If you're new, start with a small amount to test. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video. Stay safe out there.